Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In previous lecture we have started the unit number 3, e-commerce security. Today we are going to discuss the topic encryption, cyber security and its types and set. This is our lecture number 2. So let's begin. Our first topic is what is encryption? Data encryption is a security method where information is encoded. This data can only be accessed or decrypted by a user with the correct encryption key. Encryption is a generic term that refers to the act of encoded data in this context so that those data can be securely transmitted via the internet. So, e-commerce relies on encryption to secure data transmission by controlling data access and protect information on the internet, and in the end improve consumer confidence. Encryption transforms data into some unreadable form to ensure privacy. Okay. So, encryption is defined as the conversion of something to code or symbol so that its content cannot be understood if intercepted. When a confidential email needs to be sent and you use a program that obscure so its content, this is the example of encryption. Okay. And similarly, one may ask, what is a encryption? So, encryption is the process of translating plain text data into something that appear to a random and meaningless data. Okay. Next point, cyber security. Cyber security refers to the body of technology, processes and practices designed to protect network, devices, program and data from attack, damage or unauthorized access. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computer, server, mobile devices, electronic system, network, etc. And it is also known as information technology security or electronic information security. So, computer security or the cyber security is the protecting of computer system and network from information disclosure, theft of damage to their hardware, software or electronic data, as well as from the disruption of the services they provide. Okay. Next topic is types of security. Types of cyber security are nothing but the technology used to prevent the unsalted data. It needs the knowledge of possible threat to data such as virus and other malicious code. We will see the types of security one by one. First is network security. It prevents and protects against unauthorized instruction into corporate network. Second, application security. It makes app more secure by finding and fixing in the application code. Third, information security. It also refers to as the data security, keeps data secure from unauthorized access both when it is being stored and when it is being transmitted from one machine to the another machine. Fourth is operational security. It refers to as OPSEC is the process by which organization access and protect public data about themselves that could, if properly analyzed and grouped with other data by a clear adversary, reveal a bigger picture that to stay hidden. Okay, so this is the types of security. Next topic is security precautions. First is always lock your workstation when you leave, even for a short time. Next is install and maintain antivirus software, firewall and email filter. Students, it is important that your computer system uses a antivirus software. This will help protect your system from the threat of viruses. It common tasks carried out by antivirus software are it scanning files for known virus signature, performing calculations on file to check for unauthorized changes, and also monitoring main memory for files that are behaving like a virus. It is important to keep this software up to date as a new virus are constantly being created. Okay. Next is do not send sensitive information over the internet before checking a website security. Do not provide personal or financial information in email and do not respond to email solicitation for this information. Okay. So most of us use password on all our accounts. Even our smartphone require them to unlock the main screen. This is the one method keeping a system secure. Okay. And choosing a longer password that is difficult to guess make it even more secure. So it is important to pick a password that you can remember but one that is also difficult to guess. Okay. So this is a security precautions. Next point, secure electronic transaction, short form is SET. It is developed by Visa and MasterCard in 1996. It is more secure protocol. SET was an early communication protocol used by e-commerce website secure electronic debit and credit card payment. SET was used to facilitate the secure transmission of consumer card information via electronic portal on the internet. So students, secure electronic transaction was an early communication protocol used by e-commerce website to secure electronic debit and credit card payment. Okay. And secure electronic transaction is a communication protocol standard using securing credit card and debit card. Okay. So this is a SET. Students, in today's lecture we have saw what is the cyber security, types of cyber security and security precautions, and also we see the secure electronic transaction. Okay. So in this lecture our unit number 3rd was completed. In next lecture we will started the unit 4 business oriented e-commerce. Thank you.